We'll guide you through how to determine if ChatGPT is getting dumber. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser on your desktop and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you haven't already. To analyze ChatGPT's performance, start by looking at the responses you get for the same queries over time. You can try asking ChatGPT a series of questions or tasks that you're familiar with and have previously asked before. Pay attention to the details in the responses, such as accuracy, relevance, and coherence. Take notes of any changes or discrepancies in the output compared to what you expected based on past interactions. Another good method is to use a few benchmarking queries. These are questions or prompts that you can use as a standard to see if the AI's capabilities have changed. Make sure these queries cover a variety of topics and complexity levels. If you notice a decline, it could be due to updates on the model, changes in training data, or other factors. You can also check the ChatGPT forums or developer updates to see if there are any canonisus or changes that might be affecting the performance. If you want to be more systematic, you can record your sessions or use the chat history feature, if available, to compare past and present interactions. Keep in mind that a single off moment doesn't necessarily mean the model is getting dumber. Consistent results over multiple trials will give you a clearer picture. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.